So we have a model here, and I make my own personal rig with it. Just checking my rig right now. So this is forward kinematics. That bone is forward kinematics. Yeah, the shoulder is moving. And the other thing I want to check is the inverse kinematics, and this bone is to make the face follow the head, or you can say this bone, wherever it goes the head will follow it. So you can say this bone is very useful when you are doing animation. And this finger bones are very important. Like, you have to check each finger is responding with this respective bones, like this. See, in case if not like this, in case if there is no good response, then your rig is not good. And this is the bone to control the hand. So now if I look from the top, this is responding very good. This IK is responding very good. In case you want to know the tutorial regarding this, I can teach you how to make this type of rig, because my main goal is to teach you Blender with rigging. Rigging is the most difficult thing. Even I still face problem in doing rigging. The foot is also working fine. Yeah, sometimes it tilts, but most of the time it works fine. So this was just a human structure, and I tried to make it perfect rig on it, and the weight paint.